And why does Jesus tells them to rest? He does not want them. He doesn't want his disciples to brag about. He doesn't want his disciples to boast about their achievement or success of their missionary journey. So he wants them to rest, to reflect, and to contemplate on the experiences they have encountered. He wants them to enjoy the experiences. He wants them to reflect and contemplate. And today, being the weekend, Jesus extends the same invitation to us. Jesus is telling us, rest, reflect, and contemplate. Contemplate on what? About the past week. How was the past week? What are the good things that I have learned? What are the bad things that I have learned? Or how can I improve myself? These are the questions that we need to reflect. So friends, let us unplug ourselves. Unplug ourselves from our busy agendas, from the busy schedules. Take a break. Switch off your mobiles. Contemplate nature and tune yourself to dialogue with God.